let's learn some common Somali greetings and ways to say goodbye. These are things people say every day. The first greeting is Setahay. This is a very common way to greet someone. Setahay. It literally means, how are you? But for now, you can learn it as one piece, like one chunk. We will learn the specific grammar later. A common response to this is Wan fi'anahay. Wan fi'anahay. This literally means I'm good or I'm doing well. Here's another greeting. Iskawaran. 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 This is a very common way to greet somebody, and it's technically a command, not a question, hence the exclamation mark. It means give news about yourself. I find the directness refreshing and quintessentially Somali, straight to the point. As with Setahai, you can learn this as one piece, like one chunk, and we will worry about the grammar later. A common response to this is Wa nabad. Wa nabad. It is a very common response. It means there is peace if translated directly. But again, it's not meant to be translated directly, but just think of it as a default response. People say it often, even when everything is normal. Now, let's learn some ways to say goodbye. Nabad gelio. Nabad gelio. This consists of the word enter and peace, which is also very characteristic of Somali culture. The focus is on peace. Another way to say goodbye is ma'asalama. Ma'asalama. And I actually don't know the direct translation of this, if there is one, but I do want to mention that you can pick out the Arabic word for peace, salam, in this word. Ma'asalama. Goodbye. So today, you have learned 6 phrases, 2 greetings, 2 responses, and 2 ways to say goodbye. Although not always the case with all greetings, these ones, the ones you learned today, can be mixed and matched. Different people prefer different ones. You don't need to choose. What I always say is pick one that you can say, so pick one to say, but be able to listen for all of them. One final thing to note. 3 of the 6 phrases you learned today include the word peace, and I think that's important. Until next time.